that. You actually came back for me. I was so shocked.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Chance Jones, and today we got another sneaker for you guys. This is one that you guys voted on when you saw on Facebook and Instagram on my post. If you guys want to vote and choose sometimes or see a little sneak piece of what I'm planning out, make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. But I'll drop that later. So let's get straight to the shoes. So thank you guys for returning to the channel, and let's get straight to it and get the box. So. Alright, and here we go. This is the box. Let's get to unboxing. And yeah, let's get to it. This is something I got in another one from GOAT. Both of the packages again came from GOAT. I just like their services. It's so easy to find stuff. It alerts you when stuff goes under retail and everything. So yeah, let's get to this unboxing of sorts and get you guys into it. So this one was actually a bigger box than what I expected the first time. And I know what this is because I just looked at tracking numbers. But yeah, this is a bigger box than what they usually send. I don't know if it was because of the person who sent it or maybe just the size of the box. I don't think the size of the box is that much bigger. Let me get this out of here and show you guys. And as you can see, you probably saw it through the front. This is a Nike box. So let's get this out and see what we got in here. And I know you guys already know what it is because I usually put it at the beginning of the video. So as you know, this is a regular Air Max 1 box. No surprise there, no surprise there. Our red box is a little banged up, which is the first time that's happened. I think it's just because of how big the box is. So they probably should have gave me like something for damaged box because GOAT usually does, but that's fine. This is definitely a shoe I've been waiting on. And you guys, I've already seen it. What it says on it is Nike Air Max 1 Premium. Astrophere is the colorway. It's just saying Astrophere. That's it. So, yeah, let's get into it and let's see how they look and turned out. Got the little GOAT tag. Just let me know everything is there. So let's see his label, accessories. So I must have extra laces or something, which is pretty cool. Yeah, everything turned out, checked off on the okay list. So it's okay with GOAT. It's usually okay with me. Actually always okay with me. Haven't ever had a problem. And here you guys go. Let's see, I might need to turn the lighting down on that for you guys. So it turns out the actual light was just hitting these things too hard because the air actually on here is actually turning out to be reflective, which I did not know. So yeah, actually, let me get this together. Maybe I'll do something like a clap on, clap off type thing. So yeah, this is the sneaker. Let me show you guys all of what I got in the box. So as per usual with GOAT, got a GOAT sticker. I have a lot now. Yeah, I'll figure out something to do or give away with these eventually in the future. So done with that. After that, I have 3 different lace packs. So what's in here is a white lace, as you can see. You get I think this is the same pink as the shoe type, and then this one is a lemony yellow. So things that I'm getting with this shoe right here, right now, is as you can see, if I put it up close enough, it kind of looks like it reflects off the air when it hits there. And I'll be showing you guys in B-roll too. But this is definitely a dope shoe. It's popping pretty nice on this camera. The little part for, not the toe box, but the part above it, above the toe panel, is mesh. This all feels like a vinyl type leather where they printed the air on, because this is all air all over it, and you guys are probably seeing that right now. And then you have the one yellow air on the back to distinguish it so people can actually see what it is. This is super dope though. I love this shoe. You have the little yellowy airbag. You have the black outsole, which is dope to me because it gives it that pop, that hit to me. And this is a dope collection that Nike released recently, and it's something that I really am happy that they did. And you guys know the Air Max 1 is my favorite shoe, so that's why I really love this collaboration. That's why I really feel like this works, because they did something that was so simple but turned out so good, because you don't see people do this a lot. And I actually have to show you guys. I have to show you guys this is the insole. The insole, which I'm just now seeing, which I have never seen in pictures. I don't know if anybody just never took pictures or not. Is super dope. So let me get to that. What was on the inside is actually these fruits that you can make lemonade with, whether it be a lemon, lime, or the strawberry, anything. It's so cool to me, because this is definitely a dope feature, which shows that they really put time and thought and effort into making this shoe. And that's what we've been wanting out of Nike and everything. That's super dope. That's super dope of them to do. And it doesn't say what type of zoom or anything they use, but we already know it's just a normal Air Max Air that they use up under your heel. But yeah, no, this is probably the dopest shoe I've gotten on this channel, to me, in terms of originality and in terms of just them going simple but going outside of the box that nobody thought. You also get the strawberry hits on the tongue, which you guys will also be seeing. That's another dope part to me. The Like I said, the mid panel, I mean the midsole is white, outsole is black. Just clean to contrast the pink and make it pop. Then you also have a shiny gloss pink for the check, which makes it super, super clean and slick, on top of all the air marks to distinguish it from the mud guard. And that's another dope thing that they did right there. But yeah, this shoe to me is going to get a, I would give this, personally, I would give this the 5 stars. But because I know it wasn't as hyped as most other sneakers, I would give this the 4 stars, because this shoe is perfect. And I have to give it the 4 stars because it does only have, and it's only on the right shoe, but it has a stitching peak right at the little, not mudguard, the more of the lace lining type area. It just has one peak, but that's the only thing that I see from both of the shoes that could be anything I could mark or say against it, which I really don't even want to do that. It's mark or say anything against these shoes, because I just love the detail and design they went into doing with these. And they didn't, for me, as somebody who loves Air Max 1s, they didn't go too far outside of the box. They didn't mess anything up. They didn't go too conservative with it. They went just far enough to where you would still recognize the models, to where you would still love what they did with it, to where it's just a shoe that you could go out and people will start asking you questions like, "Hey, where did you get those? How did you get those? Can I still get those?" That's the most important thing to me. These are definitely cool. Also, side note, strawberry lemonade to me might be the best, depending on how you make it. Might be the best. Let me got let me know what you guys thinking about that. But no, that is one of the dopest things to me. But yeah, I will definitely be getting this on a try on, so I can show you guys what it looks like on feet, how it pairs up, what you should pair it up with. This is definitely a dope sneaker, and possibly in the running to me already for Air Max of the Year. This year, I will, at the end of the year, I will be doing things such as Air Max of the Year, such as um, what's another thing? Jordan of the Year, Nike of the Year, just Adidas of the Year. So yeah, just warning you guys, letting you guys know that is coming on the way. But yeah, I love everything about it, from the white lining on the inside, the pink upper, which has the air printed all over this panel right here, these panels right here, to the little yellow air to distinguish it, so you can still tell that it's got an air back there, to the gloss midsole, to what looks like, and I don't know, this might be 3M on here. I have to check and I have to look it up. If I find out that it is, I will definitely put it down in the comment section below so you guys can know. But yeah, from the yellow in the inside of the airbag, that is another really, really subtle dope touch that just you wouldn't think of. And then after that, just the white midsole and the black bottom. They could have went too far where they would have put pink right there, but they didn't. So that's props to Nike for doing this. Props for them on the whole collection because I love the whole collection. I might even try, maybe by the end of the year, having all three because all three are really dope to me. No, that's a lot of Air Max coins to get. It's three more, and I already have, besides this pair, two already. So I'll have five by the end of the year. But if I get them, that might be my only Air Max ones for the year because I'm trying to branch out and show you guys different shoes, so you guys can get different looks at other things. But this is definitely, to me, a must buy. This is a buy that will stand the test of time to me, and this is one that we'll look back on and be like, hey, Air Max got it right with this pair. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. Hit that notification bell too so you guys can see whenever I'm putting out new content. I really want to thank you guys for all the support. Make sure you guys also follow me on Instagram at samurai__Jones. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitter at thecareless_1. And yeah, I'll always be posting about sneakers. I'll post about other things just so you guys can see what I'm doing with the week, how I'm getting this stuff together. And there will always be a video coming out on Monday and Friday. And this is the end of the video, guys. So I'll see you guys next time. Hope you guys stay blessed. Peace.